Hi, my name is Darren Conlon. I am an architectural designer for Array Architects, and I'm going to be speaking about how we use architectural visualization as a design tool. In recent years, photorealistic renderings have really become the status quo for the industry. They help client understanding, they can be used to attract potential donors, generate excitement about a project, and streamline project approvals. One of the achievements of our visualization staff is that unlike many firms who think of architectural visualization as just an effort of marketing, is that we've also seen it as an indispensable tool for design. Conventionally, a firm will generate a rendering at the end of a project, usually by an outside or third-party company. One concept that we've embraced at Array is the ability for our designers themselves to work in 3 dimensions at all times throughout a project. In doing so, we're better able to understand a space, produce a greater number of design iterations, often supplementing the need for full-scale mock-ups and ultimately creating a more refined product.
With BIM, designers have the ability to work in 3D from day one, allowing us to convey space and design concepts to our clients at a very early stage. Through the BIM modeling process, we're able to draw walls and other items in plan, and it automatically generates in 3 dimensions. Because 3D has become automatic, designers are now able to focus on including materials and more finished details in the model, which allows us to create quick renderings for our clients with minimal additional time spent. These renderings are then used to engage the client when discussing how materials and design details enhance the design. For instance, we can get buy-in on a millwork design from the client, and simultaneously, infection control can weigh in on the materials associated with each component. Modeling in 3D is also an effective design tool. As we build the model, we can assess sightlines, material transitions, and get a better understanding of the design as it unfolds and in the documentation process instead of dealing with potential issues in the field. This creates a more cohesive design and allows for a better understanding of the design by the entire team.
Our staff has also worked hard to expand our capabilities from conventional rendering methods into biased render engines that allow us to better understand a space. We find this particularly useful for small spaces to provide a sense of scale or produce lines of sight. For example, understanding an exam room, the design of which will be replicated dozens of times throughout a project, but because of its small scale is difficult to understand with a conventional rendering. We're actually able to pull back walls and ceilings for still images, giving us the ability to discuss room layout in 3 dimensions. We're also able to create an interactive space, allowing the client to joystick around in a rendered room, replacing the need for high-cost rendered video. All of these technologies are supported by a visualization committee comprised of 2 members from every studio and every office. We're constantly working to provide the highest quality of understanding for ourselves as designers, as well as for our clients. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website or our knowledge community and join in this as well as many other initiatives here at Array. Thank you.